Well, folks, I think it's a good enough time to actually talk about the Screen Fortress 2016 update. As you all know, it was delayed because of a recent bugs, or what type of bugs that Valve have found. And the minute the update was launched, everyone was hyping already. But there was a problem immediately ahead. The item servers were down, and the servers were down. So nobody could play the game, if I guess, for a entire 10 minutes? Or for a while at least. But at least it wasn't for long. And on top of that, the Mirage missions are bugged. That's right, they are not working as this very moment. As soon as this video will be out, hopefully they would have been fixed soon. But by God, you can't get any of the crates because the Mirage missions don't work. Like, literally, they don't work. And that's very annoying. What's also disappointing is that we didn't get a cool Halloween page that we usually get, which is quite sad, but they did put a lot more time into the Pyro one, which didn't come with this update. Along with, obviously with the problems, we have the new crate that you will be getting, which they do have an unusual item that can make your taunts into unusuals, and also the keys. Which, obviously enough though, I did get the keys for obvious reasons. Got about 15, hopefully to unbox 15 crates to get something good. Now, I'll also be showcasing the items that have been accepted into the game, and 2 new Halloween taunts. One actually made by Valve, which should be an obvious reference to something of a previous Halloween update. And the other one, I knew it was going to be added in the minute it was posted in the workshop. Like, wow. I will say that I played on one of the new maps. It's very cool. I'm hoping to play with the other 2 later. Now, there's not really that much bug problems besides the Mirage missions not working at all for some players. And what I heard that some players are not getting the update for some reason, and they have to delete TF2 and reinstall it, which is quite unfortunate, really. But there's not really that much of a problem besides those odd things, so I think they did alright with this one. There'll probably be exploits for people to find. Now to showcase the things that have been accepted. We have a new unusual, there's plenty more as well. T-less coil, and then we have Hello Swivel version 2. A very cool looking one, I have to admit. Well done for getting that in the game. Manor Flames, Nature Star, Unusual Taunt Effect, Hello-ish. Yet again, dyslexia and got learn delay as per usual. And then on cosmetics wise, we have Starstorm, Burly Beast, Second Rate Scary. Yeah, that got added into the game. That's a taunt, obviously enough though. Lee's Batty, the Surgeon's Demise, the Mad Max, which is pretty obvious, I have to admit. I didn't even get to see that one. Mo Horn, Preston Jess, oh my god, I messed the name up. Nasty's Northern Man. And then we have the Wing Mann, Class Crown, Sprite of Bombing Pass. Those don't look like Halloween cosmetics to me. Obviously, this looks definitely like Halloween costumes. The Corpus, Christi, the Wide Banana Branded, the ERI Pose Poco. Then Heavy Transit version 2. That's not Halloween. Okay, Spook. The skeleton goggles, good, they got added in. Same for the Shark Hat, which was very nice to see. That creepy unicorn for the Pyro. That spy set, the big topper, and shows topper. That's a pretty good one, I have to admit. perfect for the spy. Then we have the obviously we've got the mushroom hat, a flying helicopter for the pyro, and obviously engineer. But those are like last year's, strangely enough though. And then obviously we have the bold scientist head. Oh, I think that spy taunt shouldn't be there. Whoops! That's my fault there. Oh well, I just made it easier to get up there. An extra showcase which came out last year. And obviously this taunt I already shown, but this one was added into the store which you can buy. And this is the second taunt, the bumper cars. 10 quid. Yeah. Oh well. But yes, those are a lot of the items. There'll probably be some odd ones I didn't get in here. Maybe or maybe not. But some of them don't look like Halloween items. I don't know if the TF team just picked some random ones with higher votes. But I think they should have added more Halloween cosmetics that actually do fit the Halloween theme. Because a lot of them look like they're more or less for the Mayan project and the Iron Gauntlet. That's going to be awkward when the Mayan project becomes an official update. TF team, you should have thought about that. And as usual, the soldier has to kill me while I want to get the book, which I already got it, but still. Quite hilarious, but is pretty much good fun. Maps wise, we have 3 new Halloween maps, all created by the community. We have Brimstone, which I did do a top 10 video with this map. Then we have... oh crap. I know the name of this, but I can't remember. And obviously, we've got Pit of Death, which I think is correct. Oh no, I'll just put the names on there after finishing editing this. It's quite unfortunate that we didn't get some other maps, like a 4th one. I was looking forward to the Bloodwater, which I thought was going to be cool to have. Because obviously that would have been great. Now, obviously enough of you probably went, Ranger, why are you doing... show the full names of those 3 maps? Well, I wanted to get this out of the way and showcase it to you guys. And obviously address the problems with this update. Now, start of it, server problems, they like wouldn't come up at all, but they did manage to come back. And then Mariah's missions are bugged. Crates, I don't know, but they will fix these very soon. Knowing the TF team, they will fix the Mariah's missions very, very soon, because it is a bit unfair, because some people want to open these crates and get the cool things that are in it, and others are like, no, come on. And obviously enough, then when I do get my October monthly allowance from YouTube, I'll go ahead and unbox more and make an unbox video, and you guys can see what I get, which will be great. And what I heard, I believe they doubled the unusual rate, so yeah, Halloween seems to be a good one. But, so, let's talk about pros and cons, even though this is the earliest part. Cons-wise, Mariah's buggy, Mariah's missions, but those will more or less be fixed very soon. This is a bit nitpicky. No Halloween page. Like, this is the first time Scream Fortress never had an Halloween page. The reasons for that, obviously, because they're busy on the Pyro update. A third con, some of the items, cosmetics don't look Halloween, that fit for other means. Like there's the odd Mayan one and Iron Gauntlet that don't really look Halloween, don't really fit into the Scream Fortress theme. Not really that much of a con, really. No Halloween comic. That is just disappointing. We don't have a Halloween comic to read. I'm really upset that we didn't have one. I guess we'll post something to expect that. Pros. 3 awesome community-made maps. 2 awesome taunts. Prices could be a bit iffy, Valve. New crates and keys and cosmetics. and obviously enough though, the joy of fun that is TF2. But still, it is good to see a lot of great things from the community. Yet again, just like Direhide, it was a community-based, but I guess you could say it's a mixed bag for this one. Yes, last year's was good, but I guess we didn't expect really a lot of good for this year. And I will say that the TF team could have done a bit better. But still, you can't get everything, and we gotta be grateful for what we get. Just fix the Mirage missions, and I will be happy for the rest of Halloween. And at least they released it earlier. So, yeah. Extra time in October. With that said though, thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoy everything. I hope you enjoy the top 10 Halloween videos. And let's have a good last couple of months. Happy Halloween folks, and happy Screen Fortress.